Hi Tashidele, welcome to Sonam Toronto channel, and today I'm going to show you some tips on iMac. Those who have iMac, older Mac, so how to maintain, to speed up your computer, how to tune up. I have a detail here, stay tuned, and yes, please share and subscribe and like, because someone might need that, right? So please share it. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. Welcome to Sonam Toronto channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips again. Mac viruses symptoms, slow Mac, and sudden restarts, and hate browser. So these things you got to remember. We have to use activity monitor. Okay, so three things to do when Mac runs slow. When your Mac takes forever to load anything, you are tired of asking yourself, why is my Mac running slow? And then it's probably time to get it back into shape. How? First, let's look at the reason why your Mac is slow, and then how to make it faster. So remove unnecessary file. I'm going to show you each one from step to step. And those piles of old folders you keep forgetting to delete, right? So I have finally gotten to you. A full hard drives take much more time to respond, to load, and to display objects, right? And it's result in a slow running Mac. Sort files, folders by size and dates if you are looking for an old or large one. So you can use iCloud storage or an external HDD to take the pressure of your main drive, or you could replace it with SSD add to speed. So mostly the old files you can remove it, delete it, right? So I'll show you everything step by step. There's two ways to go. The first, Launchpad, and on Launchpad it is actually under the utilities application, so you won't find it here. So you go to search here and says activity monitor, right? See, activity monitor, show you, double click on that. Or another way is Finder, right? It's only two. So you can go under here, utility, right? So monitor, activity monitor. So there's two way to go, guys, and double click on it. Okay, now this is the activity monitors, and guys, you can now look CPU. So CPU, central processor unit, you can check here. You can make by percentage, or you can make by graphic things, right? So anyway, so how much you taking from there, how much taking time, right? So this is the one you can check for that. And here you see how it works. Once you open that, you'll see it, you'll know it, right? You go by reading it. And then this is memory, right? Nganzo leba CPU is a kokpa, right? Computer kokpa, right? Memory is a leba. And energy. And energy, computers, how the battery takes, right? How it consumes while you operating things, right? So it shows you everything here. Which one taking more consumption, right? Which consumes more. So you see it here. And now that this is the disk, right? So disk, how it works here. So now you see how it works here, and then you go by here details, how much time second in a read in, write out, and all this stuff here you see here. And the network, see network, what is running right now, mine here, few things running right now, working on the background. So these are the application, you know, and the network traffics, how it moving in and out. So these things, what backgrounds is running, it tells you everything here. All right, guys, is we move on to Firewall. So I'm gonna show you where it is. Go to Able logo, system preferences, and security and privacy. All right. So I think it's I need to make it bigger, right? Okay, hang on. Okay, I'll make it a little bigger so you can see it, right? So I go, we'll see better now. Next, move on to Firewall, right? So Apple logo here, and then system preferences, and then security and privacy, right? Once you get in there, now you see here Firewall. So this should be turned off. Okay, now I'm going to explain you a little bit about the Firewall. Firewall is Mac's built-in disk encryption features. It's designed to, what do you call, encrypt your Mac hard drive and also all files located on the drive, right? Once Firewall is enabled on your Mac, then all existing data will, on your Mac, all data will be encrypted. So see what is really encrypted means. So encrypted means how should I say, I would say it conceals data by converting into a code, so no one can break that, right? So that is the reason, like, who needs that firewall to be on? Like a doctor, a lawyer, or anyone with a high profile, right? They need that because they all, you know, back up their data with no one can pull out. So for you and me, we don't need that to turn on, right? In case you want to turn on, then you have to go here, says you want to turn on here, and then you go to click here, and then you need to do the administrator password, username, and all that you have to key in, and then you can turn it on. Then you go from there. So but then it dramatically, your Mac slow you down. So you and me, we don't need that, right? I'm gonna make you some to make organize a little more space. So go to Apple logo, system preference, and you see the Apple logo here. Click on that. So that takes you all these apps on the Mac using iCloud. So iCloud saves everything. So why I don't need calendar to be saved here. And right now I have photo and videos. I have 2.29 GBs, right? So, and then document I have 87.1 megabyte I store in iCloud. And then I have only now 2.65 GB space available right now. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to clean a little bit more that which I don't need to use it. So I'll go here, and mostly people they buy more storage from Apple, so you can buy from here, right? Go order it and online, whatever. So like this case I'm gonna do now. Okay, and I don't need like okay, what else I don't need is stock. I don't need this. So do you want to keep a copy of your iCloud stock data on your Mac? No, delete from my Mac. Okay, so that I will save some space here. And then photo, and then I'm gonna go iCloud option now. iCloud option. Okay, these are the one that I have. I already did yesterday, so I don't need this. Weather stock widget, I don't need that. And then yeah, that's about it. I already did deselect all these books and all that. I deselected. Yeah, this is about it. I'll save some little more space. Let me see here, look up. I don't have anything. That's good. I have my own extra space for the mail. So this is about it. So guys, you can save so many ways space if the iCloud running out of space. That's what you did. I earlier did it, so you have to do that way. Show you when your computer is on, all these are running apps. Okay, and then this one, right? This one I'm using right now. So and this one, all running in background as soon as you turn on the computer. So in this case, your computer gonna slow down. So unwanted apps that running in background, you don't need that, right? So go to Apple logo, system preferences, double click, and then user and groups. Go there and then log in items. As soon as you log in, all these files are running. That's why your computer is slowing down. Another. So Android file transfer, that was a long time I used that. I don't know. So anyway, iTunes helper, why I need this kind of things while I'm using this, right? And this Garmin Express, maybe sometimes I have to upgrade it, but still I'm not gonna open this while I'm opening my computer. And Adobe, and then Android file transfer, all these are running from in my back. So now this is good to go now, right? All right, so I'm good to go now. Only I'm running is right now Google Chrome and these things. All right, now I'm gonna show you in general diagnose where the clutter coming from. So let's go to the Apple icon and then go to about this Mac. Okay, and then there is called storage. Let's go there. So this is the storage for the computer, and the storage will tell you now where it is calculating right now, and it tells you how much you space, how much you have documents, and how much you have system store and others storage, right? I mean in store in a storage. So how much you left storage, 735 gigabyte. Okay, this is what I have right now, which is little less than 70% I have still capacity I have. So my case is not that problem, but still the speed, yes, always maintenance is very important, right? So now, so some of you guys, I'm sure that you fill up to here, but if it is a 20% or less, if you have available space like that, then your system gonna be crash, and then the computer gonna get start problem, and then computer is gonna get really big problem. So before you before it happens, so you should really do this kind of diagnostic, okay, and make sure get rid of those files that you don't need it. So let's go to manage, right? This will show you now where the clutter point. So reduce clutter, sort through documents and other content stored on the Mac, and delete what is no longer needed, right? So we go to review file, right? This is called beach ball. So this is where when you go very slow, the beach balls keep spinning, so you don't need that, right? Everybody hates that. So we have to more focus on large files. See here, these are the large files. So now if you don't need, right, then you have to get rid of this, because these are the files that are taking so much space, right? Let's say this one, right? Now you don't know what kind of video or the file that is, so you go to show in Finder, so you will know, right? So this is my video on one of the shops, so I remember this. I don't need no need it. So now what I do is I go, so I'm gonna delete this one now. So are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Remember this, once you delete it from here, it's not gonna go to the trash, okay? It will be gone forever, from direct from here to gonna be disappear, okay? You're not gonna get it back. All right, make sure you have to know this. So I'm gonna delete it. So you go that way, and that way you will find all this kind of stuff, right? Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna delete that. So guys, these are the videos that you know, if you don't need it, just delete it. And these are the image. I'll see what, and then go to download. Basically download files, you know, these all that when you download transferring your something to your computer, so that one stays here, then you really don't need that, right? So technically, if you go here, you will see the general idea. You have a movie, all these videos and all that. I'm taking right now 181 gigabyte, 181 and change, right? Gigabyte. And download files so far is taking 41 and change gigabyte. And then pictures, right? So these are the, browser where they go, right? This download. So now I'm gonna go, these all you really don't need it. It's already in the software, right? So, and all these files now, I'm gonna select bunch of stuff and delete. So you do that way. And then next is ISO files. ISO files are those days, like before 2000, maybe like 14, before that, we don't have iCloud, right? So that was the reason they created that software built in the Mac. And now we don't need that backup, right? So it's already iCloud, we already have that. So since then, you don't need that. So anything you see here, like you have an iPod or anything you try to transfer before, it stays here. You don't need that. Okay, so here pretty much you can clean it up. That way you get more storage. So I do have before here lots of bunch of stuff here, like iPhone, my daughter's phone, and all this stuff. And but this will take a little more time because it it asks you, because it says permanently erase device backup and software update for free storage. Yes, so go delete it. So as same as mail. And then the music, pretty much you don't need here. I already removed all of them to make it my Mac more faster. So these are the one. All right, so guys, my final tip is put it in sleep mode. The main reason for letting your Mac sleep instead of shutting it down is that your Mac can perform maintenance tasks during the night if you shut it down. So please, once in a while, don't shut it down, and the computer should be in a sleep mode so that it can run smoothly and better. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope see you again. And I'm gonna bring you more tips on the computer maintenance and anything. Please subscribe and share and like, please, and comment below me. And if you have any question, so I can help you. And so see you soon. Bye.